Enlarged open pores on face can make your skin look aged. And unhealthy, they can also increase are the skincare problems such as acne and blackheads, especially for people with oily skin. Today in this video, we are going to tell you some simple home remedies that will shrink the size of skin pores and your skin will start to look much younger. Remedy number 1. Ingredients required for this remedy are fresh tomato juice and a few drops of lemon juice. To prepare this remedy, in a clean bowl, collect juice off one ripe tomato. In this, add few drops of lemon juice. Dip a cotton ball in this mixture and with help of cotton ball, apply this mixture all over your face. Leave it for about 15 minutes. Wash it off with clean water. The acid from the tomato and lemon acts like an astringent. This mask will remove excess oil from your face, will close all your pores, and will tighten your skin. Remedy number 2. Ingredients required for this remedy are lemon juice, cucumber juice, and rose water. To prepare the Serenity, in a clean spray bottle, mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 cup of rose water, and half a cup of cucumber juice. Spray this mixture on your face each time you wash your face. You have to use this mixture as toner. Just spray it all over your face and let it dry. Once dry, apply your regular face cream or serum that you use. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.